Here are 9 home remedies that you can try at home to reduce wrinkles. 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin hydrated and can improve its elasticity, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. 2. Healthy diet. Consume foods rich in antioxidants, such as fruits and vegetables, which can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. 3. Coconut oil. Gently massage a small amount of coconut oil onto your face before bed. Coconut oil contains fatty acids that can help moisturize and nourish the skin. 4. Olive oil. Like coconut oil, olive oil can be used for a gentle facial massage. Its antioxidants and healthy fats may help improve skin texture. 5. Aloe vera. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. Aloe vera can soothe and hydrate the skin. 6. Yogurt mask. Mix plain yogurt with a bit of honey and apply it as a mask. The lactic acid in yogurt can exfoliate dead skin cells, while honey moisturizes. 7. Green tea. Apply cooled, brewed green tea as a toner or use green tea bags as compresses on your face. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that can promote healthier skin. 8. Cucumber slices. Place thin cucumber slices over your eyes and relax for about 15 minutes. Cucumbers have a soothing and hydrating effect on the skin. 9. Facial exercises. Perform facial exercises to target specific muscles and improve circulation in the face. This may help reduce the appearance of wrinkles over time. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.